now you would select that.
Select that. Hit this.
Yep.
Insert.
And now close that. See, now it's showing you.
So, do I keep these in order, or do I at some point take this out?
So, once it runs, so go to mode.
Mode. Okay.
Now see normal and self-extinguish. So if it's in normal, it'll just keep adding as you're loading jobs.
Okay, so I can load jobs.
Self-extinguish, then once it runs that sheet, that one goes away.
Okay, so right now it's in normal.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
And then once I run that,
So the big thing's the spindle, and then the drill block, the yellow are the drills, right?
yeah, these are the
So what's the one that's orange on the left? Yeah, that one.
Oh, that one, that's just the one that's selected right now.
Okay.
See?
And those all the same drill bits in them?
You can put 8 different ones in.
Okay.
And it tells you in the bottom right when you click on it what was loaded in it.
Okay.
See how it changes?
Yeah. So that's a 5mm